Ice cream chillin', chillin', ice cream chillin', ice cream chillin', chillin', ice cream chillin', ice cream chillin', chillin', ice cream chillin', ice cream chillin', chillin', ice cream. A beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day, everyone. So, Teacher Ryan is here again. Nako, patok na patok ang ating dynamite. Now, so for today, we are going to study another hit. They are one of the most famous girl group in the whole wide world. No? So, the Blackpink and with Miss Selena Gomez. Miss Selena Gomez, known for her I Love You Like a Love Song, Baby. This song is very famous now. Siyempre, hindi pa huli si Teacher Ryan. So, kailangan pag-aralan ko tong song na to. No, this is another challenge for me. So, I will be happy to learn this song. Sabayan niyo ako. Okay, now, the first thing we have to do is to listen first to the music. So remember, that is the first step. Listen, paulit-ulit, okay? So study the melody. Na 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 na.
What?
Yes, so that's the so cute, very cute song, Ice Cream by Blackpink and Selena Gomez. Now, don't worry. I will make it very easy for you. We'll make it very slow para ma-master natin tong song na to. So after an hour, you can already sing it with your friends. So hindi kayo mahuhuli sa trending song. We'll read it first. Kailangan full of emotion, tsaka kaartehan. Okay, now let's see, class. Come a little closer because you're looking thirsty. I'ma make it better, sip it like a Slurpee. Snow cone chili. Again. Snow cone chili, get it free like Willy. In the jeans like Billie, you be poppin like a wheelie. Okay, now let's sing it. Slow mo na. And then for male, sing it an octave lower para hindi kayo mahirapan. So it will be easier for you. Okay, let's sing it. So now there are two parts. The first thing is kailangan you'll be a little sweeter. Okay? Sweeter. Come a little closer cause you're looking thirsty. I'ma make it better, sip it like a Slurpee. And then, medyo strong ng konti. Mataray, no? Snow cone chili, get it free like Willy. In the jeans like Billie, you'd be popping like a Willy. Okay, then same. Now, sweeter. Even in the sun, you know I keep it icy. You can take a lick, but it's too cold to bite me. Now, next. Rah, frozen, you're the one been chosen. Played a part like Moses, keep it fresh like roses. Yes, okay. Now, next. Let's read it first. Let's read it first. So, look so good, yeah, look so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Coldest with his kiss. So he called me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. Diba? Ang lalim. Look so good, yeah, look so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Coldest with a kiss, so call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. So kailangan may konting arte. Coldest with a kiss, so he call me ice cream. Sexier. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. Let's try it again. Look so good, yeah, look so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Call this with a kiss, so call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. Look so good, yeah, look so sweet. Baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so you call me ice cream. You can double it, cause I know you like me. Oh my God. So art so gay. No, I like it. Ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin'. Then, next verse. Let's read it first. I know that my heart could be so cold. But I'm sweet for you, come put me in a cone. You're the only touch that get me melting. Yeah, he's my favorite flavor. Always gonna pick him. Wow, so poetic. Okay, now let's try. Okay, now one, two, three, go. I know that my heart could be so cold, but I'm sweet for you. Come put me in a cold. You're the only touch, yeah, they get me melting. He's my favorite flavor, always gonna pick him. You're the cherry piece, just stay on top of me, so I can see nobody else but me. No, get it, flip it, scoop it, do it like I, yeah, yeah. Like it, love it, lick it, do it like la la, oh yeah. Then, look so good, yeah, look so sweet, looking good enough to eat. Call us with a kiss, so call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge right where the ice be. Look so good, yeah, look so sweet. Baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so you call me ice cream. You can double dip, cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin', ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin', ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin', ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream. now, now this one, we need energy. Okay, medyo angas ng konti, okay? Snappy, like a soldier. Okay, now let's read it first. Chilling like a villain, yeah, rah, rah, rah. Michin, michin, dut and sokdo in my la. So there's a Korean part here. Michin, michin, dut and sokdo in my la, fera. Sorry, my Korean sounds like Ilocano. Again, one more time. Michin, michin, dut and sokdo. Again. Chilling like a villain, yeah, rah, rah, rah. Michin, michin, dut and sokdo in my la, fera. Nomo, Palo, Nunan, Pickett, Munam, Damian, Gunyang, Jerome, Billy, Malboro, Honya, Rumson, Mogi, Orum, Honya, Rumson, Mogi, Orum. Again. Chillin' like a villain, yeah, rah, rah, rah. Michin, Dutton, sucked in my laugh, rah. Nomo, Palo, Nunan, Pickett, Munam, Damian, Gunyang, Jerome, Billis, Mulbarum, Honya, Rumson, Mogi, Orum. Yes, Orum. One more time. Let's do it with energy. Chilling like a villain, yeah, rah, rah, rah. Michin, dutan, sogdo in my love, there, rah. Nama, pala, nunan, picket, wunam, damian, gunyang, jirm, milis, malborum, hanya, rumsun, mogi, orum, yeah. One more time, last. Chilling like a villain, yeah, rah, rah, rah. Michin, dutan, sogdo in my love, there, rah. Nama, pala, nunan, picket, wunam, damian, gunyang, jirm, milis, mulberum, hanyurum, son, mogi, orum. Mali. Isa pa. Sige. It sounds exciting. One more time. Sabay tayo. Ready? I love rap no? Remember, I'm a classical singer. Nag-rap din si teacher. Now, 1, 2, 3, go. Chilling like a villain, yeah, rah, rah, rah. Michin, dutan, sokdu in my love, fera. Nama pala, nunan, pikat, wunam, damian, gunyang, jirm. Milis, small, borum, hanyo, rumson, mogi, orum. Yes. And then, hinga ng malalim. So you need to breathe well here because you are not allowed to breathe, okay? Let's read it first. Keep it moving like my Lisa. Think you flyable where your visa. Mona Lisa, kinda Lisa needs an ice cream man that treats her. Keep it moving like my Lisa. Think you flyable where your visa. Mona Lisa, kinda Lisa needs an ice cream man that treats her. Yes. Again. Sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3. Keep it moving like my Lisa. Think you flyable where your visa. Mona Lisa, kinda Lisa needs an ice cream man that treats her. Needs an ice cream man. Needs an ice cream man that treats her. Needs an ice cream man that treats her. Needs an ice cream man that blah blah blah. Needs an ice cream man that treats her. Needs an ice cream man that treats her. Needs an ice cream man that treats. Needs an ice cream man that treats her.
What?
Mali. Needs an ice cream man that treats her. Okay, now let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Keep it moving like my Lisa. Think you Bible where your visa. Mona Lisa, kinda Lisa needs an ice cream man that treats her. breathe. Keep it moving like Melissa. Think you fly away your visa. Mona Lisa, kinda Lisa needs an ice cream and the pizza. Yay! Now, we are in the last part. Okay, class. Now, ito, to make it easier, you imagine ang asar ka. You're teasing someone. Na 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 eyes on my wrist. Yeah, I like it like this. Like that. I like it like this. Do that. Eyes on my wrist. Yeah, I like it like this. Get the bag with the cream, if you know what I mean. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, chillin'. Okay, ready? Mga sir tayo. Let's tease. Okay, let's tease. Na 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 na. Ice in my wrist, yeah, I like it like this. Get the bag with the cream, if you know what I mean. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, chillin'. Repeat. Na 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 na. Ice in my wrist, yeah, I like it like this. And I'm nice with the cream, if you know what I mean. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Yum 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 yum. Ice cream. You really put ice cream in it.
What?
Kalokohan. Okay. Now let's try it from the start. Okay, now. Okay, Blackpink and Selena. No? So, arte-arte. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now, let's enjoy this song. Ano nga yung una nito? Come a little closer cause you're looking thirsty. I'ma make it better, sip it like a Slurpee. No, cheating, get it feel like Willy. In the jeans like Billie, you be popping like a wheelie. Even in the sun, you know I keep it icy. You can take a lick, but it's too cold to bite me. Bruh, frozen, you're the one been chosen. Played a part like Moses, keep it fresh like roses. Look so good, yeah, look so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Coldest with a kiss, so we call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right within the ice cream. Look so good, yeah, look so sweet. Baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so we call me ice cream. You can double dip, cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. I know that my heart could be so cold, but I'm sweet for you, come put me in a cone. You're the only touch, yeah, they get me melting. He's my favorite flavor, always gonna pick him. You're the cherry piece, just stay on top of me, so I can see nobody else but me. No, get it, live it, scream it, do it like yeah. Like it, love it, lick it, do it like la la, oh yeah. Look so good, yeah, look so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Call this with a kiss, so it call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be. Look so good, yeah, look so sweet. Baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so it call me ice cream. You can double dip, cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream. Chillin' like a villain, yeah, rah. Bitchin', written sukto in my love era. Na mapalanin and picket po ng dangin inyong jeer. Bilis, bilborok, ang yun ang sumong i-oro, mali. Chillin' like a villain, yeah, rah. Bitchin', written sukto in my love era. Na mapalanin and picket po ng dangin inyong jeer. Bilis, bilborok, ang yun ang sumong i-oro. Then, again. Chillin' like a villain, yeah, rah. Bitchin', written sukto in my love era. Na mapalanin and picket po ng dangin inyong jeer. Bilis, bilborok, ang yun ang sumong i-oro. Then, keep it moving like Melissa. Think you fly away your visa. Mona Lisa, kinda Lisa needs an ice cream and a pizza. Keep it moving like Melissa. Think you fly away your visa. Mona Lisa, kinda Lisa needs an ice cream and a pizza. Na 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 na. Eyes and Maurice, yeah, I like it like this. Get it back with the cream if you know what I mean. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, chillin'. Na 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 na. Eyes and Maurice, yeah, I like it like this. I'm nice with the cream if you know what I mean. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Oh, yummy, 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 yummy. Nom, 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 nom. Ice cream, love it. Thank you very much, Blackpink and Miss Selena Gomez. Please don't forget to like this page, Grand Music Palace Philippines. Please, parang awan nyo na. And also, please like our Facebook page, Grand Music Palace Philippines. Follow me also at Twitter, Instagram. I don't bigo na at saka kumu. Minsan na lang. Kasi they don't like to give me beans. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a good day. God bless. Thank you.